working all day, sitting by the campfire, smoking, drinking beer. With the old fam sitting on the old hill.
It'd be
Back in
1980s.
We went back to the other time because there was a time traveler. He came up to me and was like, "You wanna see what it's like in the future?" And I came to the future, started making a song then. That's what it's all about. That's gonna be about the songs in the old times, sitting by the fire,
Drinking beer with the old fam.
Yeah, on the hill next to that little horsey, watching him.
We be sitting by them dogs.
Next to the campfire, feeding them their dog food, and then we went back to the old town, sitting next to that campfire.
That's basically
The whole song now. That's what it's all about.
And bye.